The kidneys play a vital role in overall health and well-being. They filter waste and excess fluid from the blood to be excreted as urine. They also help regulate blood pressure, produce hormones, and keep electrolytes balanced. When the kidneys are damaged, these functions become impaired. This can lead to a buildup of toxins and fluid in the body, high blood pressure, anemia, weak bones, and other issues. Chronic kidney disease, CKD, is a condition where the kidneys gradually lose function over time. It often goes undetected in early stages, since symptoms may not appear until significant damage has occurred. The most common causes are high blood pressure, diabetes, and other chronic diseases. Age and family history can also increase risk. Without treatment, CKD can progress to kidney failure, which is fatal without dialysis or a kidney transplant. Dialysis is a treatment that filters wastes and excess fluid from the blood when the kidneys can no longer do this adequately. In hemodialysis, blood is circulated through an artificial kidney machine and then returned to the body. Peritoneal dialysis uses the lining of the abdomen to filter blood inside the body. Dialysis helps maintain life, but has significant effects on quality of life and life expectancy. The dietary restrictions and time commitment required for treatment are also challenging. Kidney disease is increasingly common, affecting around 15% of adults globally. In the U.S., over 37 million adults have CKD, and more than 750,000 have kidney failure. The prevalence continues to rise, driven by aging populations and increasing rates of diabetes and hypertension. This represents a major public health concern. The good news is that healthy lifestyle choices can help prevent kidney disease or slow its progression if already present. One important aspect is avoiding beverages that may strain or damage the kidneys. In this video, we will discuss 5 drinks that should be limited or avoided completely if you have kidney disease or want to protect your kidney health. Number 1, sodas and soft drinks. Sodas and soft drinks like cola, lemon lime soda, and root beer are high in both sugar and phosphorus, both of which are bad for kidney health. The kidneys help filter excess sugar from the bloodstream. Frequent high intakes place strain on them and make kidney damage more likely over time. Sugar also increases risk for obesity and diabetes, the leading cause of kidney disease. Phosphorus is another potentially harmful component of sodas. Healthy kidneys remove extra phosphorus from the blood, but when their function declines, levels build up. High blood phosphorus pulls calcium from bones, causing brittle bones and calcification of blood vessels. This further harms kidney function. To reduce intake, avoid drinking regular sodas, fruit punch, lemonade, and other sweet drinks. Diet sodas with artificial sweeteners are lower in sugar, but not phosphorus. Limit consumption to occasional small portions like 12 ounces as part of an overall healthy diet. Focus on water instead for daily hydration needs. Number 2, energy and sports drinks. Like sodas, many energy and sports drinks tend to be high in sugar and/or phosphorus. They also often contain caffeine as an energizing ingredient. The added sugars put extra strain on the kidneys while offering no nutritional benefit. Phosphorus content stresses kidney function by disrupting mineral balance. Caffeine causes blood pressure to rise temporarily, which can further damage kidneys if already diseased. Rather than energy drinks, get energized naturally with healthy snacks like fruits, nuts, or yogurt. For hydration during exercise, water is best. Sports drinks with electrolytes can be useful for prolonged, vigorous workouts lasting over an hour when mineral loss is substantial. Otherwise, they offer little advantage, and the sugar content can harm kidneys. Number 3, alcohol. Alcohol intake is associated with increased risk of developing CKD. Once you have kidney disease, continued alcohol use speeds progression to kidney failure. It also interferes with effectiveness of medications used to protect kidney function. Alcohol causes dehydration, which enlarges risk for kidney stones. It increases blood pressure and can damage the liver. Both of these add stress to the kidneys. Excess intake also raises triglycerides and uric acid levels in the blood, which can promote kidney damage. Those with kidney disease are advised to avoid alcohol completely or limit to 1 drink occasionally at most. Beer, cocktails, wine, and liquor all impact the kidneys. If stopping entirely seems daunting, speak with your doctor about ways to cut back safely. Prioritize kidney health by reducing or eliminating alcohol. Number 4. Fruit juice. While whole fruits have many benefits, fruit juices are high in natural sugar with less fiber content. The excess sugar can tax the kidneys. Apple, grape, and orange juice contain some of the highest amounts. Cranberry juice in particular is often promoted for urinary tract health, but it is quite high in oxalate. This anti-nutrient can accumulate in kidney damage, increasing risk of stones. Lemon, lime, and other citrus juices are also relatively high in oxalates. Limit juice to a small 4 to 8 ounces glass, at most a couple times per week. Focus on eating whole fruits instead for fiber, nutrients, and hydration. If giving juice to children, dilute it with water to cut the sugar content. As your taste adjusts, keep decreasing the juice-to-water ratio. Herbal iced teas and sparkling waters with fruit are other flavorful, low-sugar options. Number 5. Protein shakes and supplements. Protein powders like whey and casein are major sources of phosphorus, especially when used in large amounts. Phosphorus levels can quickly accumulate, which strains the kidneys. Herbal supplements and extracts like garlic, ginger, ginseng, and green tea may also impact kidney health. Many contain antioxidants and compounds that can alter kidney function and fluid balance when consumed in excess. Their effects in kidney disease are not well studied. Therefore, those with CKD should take a cautious approach to protein powders and herbal supplements. Speak with your doctor or dietitian about appropriate intake levels based on your individual condition. Focus on whole foods like fish, eggs, legumes, nuts, and seeds for safe sources of protein and nutrients. In summary, several beverages are best limited or avoided if you have chronic kidney disease or want to protect your long-term kidney function. Sodas, energy, sports drinks, alcohol, and fruit juices can worsen kidney damage due to their sugar, phosphorus, and oxalate content. Protein shakes and herbal supplements also have the potential to stress the kidneys when consumed in excess. Yet, with a few adjustments, it is certainly possible to stay hydrated and meet your preferences with kidney-friendly options. Water should be your go-to beverage for hydration. To add flavor, try infusing with fruits, cucumbers, or herbs. Unsweetened teas, from black to herbal varieties, are other low-sugar choices. Coffee and tea in moderation can be safe for most people with CKD. Have a soda or juice on occasion if you really enjoy them, but stick to small 4-8 oz portions. Look for low-sugar varieties to help control intake. Limit alcohol to at most 1 drink per day for men or 1 to 2 per week for women. Avoid supplement pills and powders unless recommended by your doctor. Most importantly, stay well hydrated every day to avoid dehydration and kidney stones. Talk with your doctor and dietitian to personalize recommendations based on your kidney function status and overall dietary needs. Protecting your kidney health takes commitment, but is well worth the effort to avoid dialysis down the road. If you enjoyed this kidney-friendly beverage video, please like and subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content focused on managing kidney disease through nutrition and lifestyle. I aim to offer practical, evidence-based tips to halt progression and feel your best. Leave any comments or questions below. I love hearing from viewers. I wish you the very best on your kidney health journey. With commitment to long-term lifestyle changes, you can slow progression and truly take control of managing chronic kidney disease. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.